What's up everyone, it's Mike and Jay here in the Midnight Mod Garage, and today we've got a huge surprise for you. Well, we love the 135i and that it's convertible. There's one thing that it doesn't do, and that's tow stuff.
That's right guys, so we have a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport here. I know, it doesn't really tow that much. It tows 2,500 pounds, which is all I need. Let's do a quick walk around. Now this guy took pretty good care of this. It's only got about 36,000 miles. He obviously did not know how to do plasti dip on the wheels. As you can see, even right here, he missed the whole rim. And one thing you will notice as you're doing this walk around with me, the lights, both the brake lights as well as the front lights, are all halogen. And despite the fact that I'm a strapping young man, I can't see at night with these. We're gonna rectify that. All right guys, so we're gonna unbox the headlights and the fog lights. And here they are. All right, so these are the fog lights we have. They use a similar to stock housing, so they should just slide right in. All right, and finally, last but not least, the tail lights. Ooh. So as I mentioned before, halogens are really hard to see at night. So we did get halo LED lights, as you saw in the unboxing. It's pretty straightforward. There are 1,000,001 DIYs on how to change the lights in your Jeep, so I'm not going to go into that many details. We want to make this a pretty quick project and make this thing look good.
Yeah, so there is a little bit of wiring involved, but that we will cover. But I will say this, that working on Jeeps compared to import cars is like kindergarten. Let's get to work.
And the first thing we're going to do is undo a number of these. They're very simple. Flathead screwdriver, pull up, and then the rest are clips, which are running all along the bottom here. There's one in the corner here and one in the corner here, so just give a nice yank forward. So you're going to want to pull from the bottom. The parking lights are still in. Just twist those, pull them out, let them dangle. And the grill is off. These lights have 4 screws. They're either T10 or T15. This one seems to have a mixture of both. So it did come with this accessory line. Go ahead and open your fuse box. Your accessory lines are gonna be right here. So, side of the fuse box. So the first we're going to do is take the adapter, plug that in. Then we're going to take the OEM plug, stick it in. Now this thing does not like to clip, even with this red tabby that's broken on the inside. So I am going to use a little zip tie action. That ain't ever coming unplugged. We're going to go ahead and tuck this back here. Here's the ACC line that I ran down here. We are going to actually use a bit of heat shrink. Jay, heat shrink! I'm not even gonna mess with it. Excellent. And now we're gonna shove it all in. Place the light in. All right, so we put the frame on. Now we got to put these 4 screws in. Last one right over here. Good, this thing's in. Now this is your adjuster screw right here, which is a T15. So after we've got this on, we're gonna make sure we level these lights. Headlights are on. Next, we are going to tackle the parking lights. Parking lights. Here we go. All right, so we have to take the OEM parking lights out of the housing. Simple enough. You got a clip here, clip there. Done. So the parking lights are identical. All you're gonna do is take one of them, make sure you know where the bottom is. You can tell from the writing on the back. Run this up through here, slide it up. You're gonna take the brackets that it came with. You are going to slide those in, make sure they're in place. Take the supplied screw and the Allen key. Done. Okay, tighten it.
So easy.
Good. Yeah.
Even a child can do it.
All right, now the bumper's ready to go on. So we're gonna put it into place. These guys into place. All right, so next we're gonna be doing the fog lights. So under here, we have 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one, which isn't in, so we don't have to remove that one, I guess. I'm gonna take these 2 up here on this bumper section piece. Hook that baby under, link it. So once you remove the bottom bumper cover, you will see this is the fog light. You're gonna undo 4 Phillips head screws on each side, on both sides. Pull the fog light out, and you're gonna put the LED one in, and it's gonna be mad. All right, so to remove the stock tail lights, you just have 4 screws, real simple. 1. Once you have those 4 screws out, this just pops out of place. Push down on this piece right here.